Hello beautiful people, welcome to Crypto Academy. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to secure your Binance wallet. I'm actually going to teach you two ways to secure your Binance account. I highly recommend you to go through both of them so that your account is safe. So stay with me till the end. Let's get into this. The first thing that you need to do is open your Binance app. Click on the icon in the left top corner. Scroll down. Go to security settings. Now here you can see there are 4 authentication processes. You must have already done email authentication. Now we are left with 3. Binance doesn't support this one, so we are left with only these 2. Some of you would have done SMS authentication. So if you have done it, you can skip this part. For those who haven't done it, click on it. Turn on the authenticator. Now select your country code. Type your phone number. Once you are done with it, click on confirm. Now you will see this sort of interface. Click on send code. You will receive a text on your phone number. Go to your SMS app. Copy the code and paste it. Now click on this send code down below. You will receive a code on your Gmail account. Go to your Gmail app. Refresh your inbox. Copy the code. Go back to your Binance app and paste it. Click on submit and we are done with SMS authentication. Now, the second way you can protect your Binance account is through Binance Authenticator or Google Authenticator. It's very simple, no need to worry about it. I'm gonna make it super easy for you. You can go with either of them. If you already have Google Authenticator, go with that, or you can also go with Binance Authenticator. I'm gonna go with Binance Authenticator. So click on it. Scroll down, click on download, copy the link, go to your Chrome browser and paste it there. Download it, open and install. After you are done with installation, go back to your Binance app, click on link, skip the tutorial. Once you skip the tutorial, you will see a QR code and a 16-digit setup key. Copy this key and go to Binance Authenticator app. Make sure you keep this key in a secure location. Now click on enter a setup key and paste it in the key box. Down below in the service box you can type Binance or Google, whatever you want, and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will see this interface. Click on the code. It will get copied. You have to be quick because it changes after every 15 seconds. Now go back to your Binance app. Click on link down below. paste it in the upper verification box. Also click on both of the send codes down below. You have to repeat this step that we did before in the SMS authentication process. Copy the codes that you have received on your Gmail and on your phone number and paste them here. Click on submit and you are done with it. One thing you need to keep in mind is that you have to be very quick in this process. If this was helpful, please give a thumbs up to this video. It would help me support my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you haven't verified your Binance account, you can watch my previous video. Link to that video is given in the description.